Hey everybody, welcome back. Today in this episode we are going to see how to upload an app on Google Play Store. So just follow along with me. You can see this is my dashboard. This is my recent app I've been uploading. So you just go to your Google Play console. In this video we are not going to create an account. So if you have not created an account, I will show the link below where to show you how to create an account. So follow along. Create the application. You see title. This is my game, runner game. Create. It generates. Yeah, there we go. We have a short description. In short description, you see you can write whatever thing you like. This is store listing. Just put our runner game, blah blah blah. Yeah, that is it. And you should remember that the total number of words should be not more than 80. So I'll just allow this one like that. You can write up to 80, but it should not be more than. So full description, and I'm just gonna continue from there. You should not forget that all this keyword gonna be used. It's just like when you want to search your game, they're gonna use all this word. So here we have offload file. Take a look at this. At least one phone screenshot here to help phone users see how your app will look like on their device. So I've already taken a screenshot of my phone. It's on my desktop. So these are my screenshot. You have to upload at least 8 of the screenshots, so that is 4. I have to repeat another one again. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here we go. And for the screen icon, here you can get your screen icon. Go to flat icon. If you don't yet know flat icon, I'll leave a script and the screen description below. So this is where I create the icon. I'm just gonna upload the icon. Yep, this is it. And for this one, whoop, something terrible went wrong. So this one, Okay, let us see how we can create another icon. .512 free download. So let me change the color. Free download. Okay, another icon again. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so let me copy to my desktop and I get rid of this one and let me paste. See how this time it's gonna look like. What is wrong? This is 512. Okay, no problem. So let's create this one, run a game. Okay, just copy the dimension here. Let's change the color. So let's save image to desktop. This is our image. So let's go back. So let's go back to flat icon. Let's look for another image. No, I think this one gonna be good. Okay, PNG. So 512 free download. Okay, so we're gonna use this one. So this is it. Copy into desktop. So let's get rid of this. Paste. And now we see what Google Play Store has for us. Yep. There we go. Good job. So yeah, you can see you have to select your game. You can select application, game, category. You select from here. You have your phone number. You gotta put your phone number. So this is it. And privacy, let's see where we can get some privacy. Here we go. Copy from here and we place our privacy here. It's okay. Save draft. You can see it is still show this one is complete. So go to app release manager. create a list, opt out, confirm. Now they're asking you to browse APK file. So this is my APK file, runner game, offload. It's processing. Sorry for any inconvenience in my internet speed is too slow. It's almost done. Let's wait for a second. Everything is done. So save, review, and now let's go to price and distribution. It's free. Statue available. You have to read from here. Is your app primarily directed towards children under the age of 18 as defined by blah blah blah? No. Does your application have art? Yes. And you tick /2 acknowledge US export law, content guarantee. And you are save draft. You are good to go. Content rating. Click continue. You gotta put your good email address wherever you have. I'm just gonna type my own email address here. So yeah, this is my email address, and you have to confirm your email address. Was all this right in? So this is it. Yeah, select your app category. So this one is game, right? You're gonna choose game. If you are social networking, you choose social networking. If it's entertainment, if utility, productivity, communication, or others, you have to choose. So we're gonna take game. Okay, we start from the first one. Violent, no. Fear, no. Sexuality, no. Simulated gambling, no. Language, does the game contain any potential offensive language? No. Control substance? No. Crush hormone? No. Miscellaneous? No. Does the game share information? No. Does the game allow user purchase? No. Does the game contain any? No. Does the game contain detailed description? No. Does the game advocate committing act of terrorism? No. Save. Calculate resume. So apply rating. Hold on, we are almost done. You go to app, edit released. Hold on, stay with me. We are almost done. Review. Start rolling out to production. Your app will now become available to all users of the Play Store. Do you want to continue? Click confirm. As you can see here, pending publication. So after some time, they're going to send you an email showing that the app has been published. So this is the process for you to upload an app, maybe from any website or from your Android Studio, after you have extract your SDK or your API. So this is how you do it. After some time, you realize that it is shown here pending. You realize it will show here published. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video, and thank you for your understanding, your patience due to the slow internet connection. And I promise next time I'm gonna see into that, how to improve it, to make it a little bit fast, everything authentic. So thank you guys. Until then.